Ever wondered how one mind could master both the artistry behind the Mona Lisa's captivating smile and the intricacies of human anatomy? Picture this, a world where creativity and scientific curiosity converge into a symphony of brilliance. Who was the visionary responsible for sketching flying machines centuries ahead of his time and envisioning ideal cities with unparalleled precision? Meet Leonardo da Vinci, the ultimate Renaissance genius. In this video, we unravel the mysteries behind his iconic works and delve into the enigma of a mind that transcended the limits of his era. How did da Vinci seamlessly blend art and science? What secrets lie within his notebooks, filled with anatomical studies and groundbreaking designs? Join us on a journey through the captivating life of Leonardo da Vinci, where every stroke of the brush and every scientific revelation tells a story of unparalleled innovation. Your questions, curiosities, and more will find answers in the mesmerizing tapestry of da Vinci's legacy. Let's embark on an exploration that promises to unlock the secrets of a genius that continues to captivate hearts and minds across the ages. Leonardo da Vinci, a luminary of the Renaissance, left an enduring legacy through his extraordinary paintings, each a portal into the rich tapestry of human experience. Born on April 15, 1452, in Vinci, Tuscany, as the illegitimate son of Piero da Vinci, he spent his early years in the artistic milieu of Florence. Under the apprenticeship of Andrea del Verrocchio, da Vinci refined his skills and, by the late 1470s, emerged as an independent artist. His finest works expressing the vastity of his genius count the Mona Lisa, painted between 1503 and 1506, beckons from the walls of the Louvre Museum, her subtle smile shrouded in mystery. In The Last Supper 1495 to 1498, da Vinci captures the solemn moment of Jesus announcing betrayal, the composition a testament to his mastery in storytelling through art. The play of light and shadow in the Annunciation 1475 to 1480 reveals a divine message conveyed by the angel Gabriel to the Virgin Mary, showcasing da Vinci's early brilliance in narrative portrayal. Meanwhile, Ginevra de Vinci 1474 to 1478 unveils a young lady amidst juniper branches, the portrait a testament to da Vinci's finesse in capturing both grace and personality. Beyond the visual allure, each stroke of da Vinci's brush becomes a window into the intricacies of human emotion and intellect. The Annunciation invites contemplation of divine revelation, while the Mona Lisa's enigmatic expression sparks curiosity about the thoughts she conceals. As we delve into The Last Supper, the emotional gravity of Jesus' revelation unfolds, and Ginevra de Vinci prompts us to ponder the story behind the poised subject. These paintings transcend mere aesthetic appreciation. They are invitations to explore the depths of human consciousness and the intellectual currents that guided da Vinci's hand. In the decades following his affirmation as an independent artist, da Vinci's journey led him to Milan, where he served Ludovico Sforza, where he created The Last Supper. Later, he spent time in Venice before returning to Florence. His itinerant life continued as he moved to Rome and eventually settled in France under the patronage of King Francis I. Nonetheless, Leonardo da Vinci's creative genius was far from limited to the sole realm of painting. It was vast and polyhedric. The drawing of the Vitruvian Man, a groundbreaking masterpiece sketched around 1490, encapsulates his profound exploration of the human form. The drawing, nestled within the pages of his notebooks, showcases meticulous measurements and proportions, with a man inscribed within both a square and a circle. Da Vinci's fascination with symmetry and the harmonious relationship between the body and geometry unfolds in this iconic work. As we delve into the Vitruvian Man, we witness not only an artistic rendering but a scientific endeavor, an inquiry into the ideal proportions that bridge the realms of art and anatomy. Each line speaks to da Vinci's quest for understanding the beauty and symmetry inherent in the human physique, inviting us to ponder the interconnectedness of art and science in this timeless representation. In the realm of anatomy, da Vinci's studies stand as a testament to his pioneering contributions. Through meticulous dissections of both humans and animals, he produced detailed and accurate anatomical drawings. The intricacies of muscles, bones, and organs were unveiled on his pages, reflecting a commitment to unraveling the mysteries of the human body. Da Vinci's anatomical sketches are not mere illustrations, they represent a transformative leap in scientific understanding. As we explore his drawings, we step into the world of a relentless investigator, where every stroke of the pen contributes to a deeper comprehension of the intricacies of human anatomy. Still, Leonardo da Vinci's legacy extends beyond his renowned artistic masterpieces, delving into the realm of engineering and innovation. His notebooks on flight, penned between 1485 and 1490, unveil a visionary exploration into the principles of flight. Within the pages, Da Vinci sketched intricate designs for various flying machines, among them the ornithopter, showcasing his avant-garde vision for aerial exploration. As we immerse ourselves in these notebooks, we witness the convergence of artistic creativity and scientific inquiry. Da Vinci's fascination with flight goes beyond the aesthetic. It's a testament to his unwavering curiosity about the mechanics of the natural world, inviting us to glimpse into the mind of a Renaissance thinker who envisioned the skies long before his time. In the arena of water and hydraulic engineering, Da Vinci's brilliance shines in designs that push the boundaries of innovation. His sketches feature a double-hulled boat and various hydraulic devices, illustrating his keen understanding of water-related systems. These designs transcend mere technical illustrations, revealing Da Vinci's ingenuity in engineering. Each stroke of his pen becomes a blueprint for systems that harness the power of water, showcasing a visionary approach to problem-solving. As we explore these sketches, we uncover not only the technical aspects but also the creative spirit that fueled Da Vinci's engineering endeavors. Leonardo da Vinci's inventive spirit left an indelible mark on the landscape of technology. In his parachute design, sketched with ingenuity and foresight, Da Vinci conceptualized an early version of a parachute. The design, dating back to his explorations in the late 15th century, reflects his forward-thinking approach to human flight. As we examine this invention, we glimpse into Da Vinci's visionary mind, anticipating concepts that would later become crucial elements in the history of aviation. The parachute design not only showcases his inventive prowess but also underscores his ability to envision practical applications for his ideas, transcending the boundaries of his time. Delving into Da Vinci's machine designs, we encounter a plethora of innovative concepts that span various fields. Among them, his vision for a machine to test the tensile strength of materials stands out. This conceptual device, conceived in the spirit of scientific inquiry, reveals Da Vinci's interest in understanding the physical properties of materials. As we explore these machine designs, we witness the fusion of artistic creativity and practical problem-solving. Da Vinci's ability to conceptualize machines that push the boundaries of contemporary understanding speaks to his multidisciplinary genius. Leonardo da Vinci's insatiable curiosity extended to the natural world, marking him as a meticulous observer and recorder of the environment around him. His naturalist studies comprise detailed examinations of plants, animals, and geological formations. Through intricate sketches, Da Vinci documented the nuanced details of flora and fauna, capturing the essence of the organic world. These studies reflect not only his artistic precision but also his scientific acumen, showcasing a profound understanding of the interconnectedness of nature. As we immerse ourselves in Da Vinci's naturalist observations, we journey through his eyes, witnessing the beauty and complexity he uncovered in the seemingly mundane. Equally captivating are Da Vinci's geological studies, where he meticulously observed and hypothesized about the Earth's processes. From the flow of water to the stratification of rock formations, his sketches and notes reveal an inquisitive mind grappling with the forces that shape the natural world. Da Vinci's geological studies serve as a testament to his role as an early geologist, exploring the fundamental principles of earth science. His contributions as a naturalist and geologist showcase yet another facet of his unparalleled Renaissance intellect. Leonardo da Vinci's legacy also extended to the field of anatomy, standing as a testament to his insatiable curiosity and pioneering scientific contributions. Through extensive dissections of both humans and animals, Da Vinci embarked on a journey to unravel the intricacies of the human body. His anatomical drawings, characterized by precision and detail, captured the inner workings of organs, muscles, and bones. The pages of his notebooks became a canvas for the exploration of the human form, reflecting a relentless pursuit of knowledge that transcended the conventional boundaries of his time. Da Vinci's muscle and bone studies represent a milestone in the understanding of human anatomy. Through meticulous observations and sketches, he delved into the structure and function of muscles and bones, producing accurate depictions that would become foundational in the field of anatomy. His ability to dissect and illustrate the human body with unparalleled accuracy not only demonstrated artistic skill but also contributed significantly to the scientific understanding of anatomy. In addition to his masterful paintings and diverse talents, Leonardo da Vinci's visionary mind extended to the realm of architectural design, offering glimpses into his innovative concepts for city planning. Among his architectural endeavors were his ideal city plans, conceptualized in the spirit of reimagining urban landscapes. These plans, sketched with meticulous detail, envisioned harmonious and practical layouts that sought to enhance the quality of life for inhabitants. Da Vinci's vision transcended mere aesthetic considerations. It delved into the functional aspects of urban living, showcasing his profound understanding of the interconnectedness between architecture and the well-being of society. As we explore Da Vinci's architectural designs, we encounter a fusion of artistic creativity and pragmatic thinking. The detailed sketches of ideal city plans reflect his deep contemplation on the organization of space, infrastructure, and community dynamics. Each stroke of his pen becomes a blueprint for a utopian urban environment, illustrating his aspiration to create spaces that fostered harmony and efficiency. His ideal city plans serve as a testament to his enduring influence on the fields of architecture and urban planning, offering a window into the Renaissance mind's capacity to envision a more thoughtful and interconnected future. Leonardo da Vinci's intellectual prowess extended to the realm of scientific writings, with the Codex Leicester standing as a prime example of his scholarly endeavors. Compiled between 1506 and 1510, this collection of scientific musings delves into diverse subjects, including geology, hydraulics, astronomy, and the properties of water. Da Vinci's meticulous observations and speculations are captured in his distinctive mirror writing, revealing a mind constantly at work to understand the natural world. As we navigate the pages of the Codex Leicester, we encounter Da Vinci's inquisitive mind unraveling the mysteries of the earth. His geological studies scrutinize the formation of rocks and fossils, showcasing a keen interest in the planet's history. Hydraulics becomes a playground for exploration as he envisions innovative water-related devices. Da Vinci's astronomical observations ponder the movement of celestial bodies, reflecting his attempts to comprehend the cosmos. The Codex Leicester is a testament to his multidisciplinary approach, where artistic intuition merges with scientific inquiry to create a compendium that transcends temporal boundaries. The Codex Leicester not only preserves his insights but invites us to witness the intellectual currents that flowed through the mind of a luminary, leaving an indelible mark on the history of scientific inquiry. Leonardo da Vinci passed away on May 2, 1519, in Amboise, France, where he was in service to King Francis I, leaving a multifaceted legacy as a polymath whose influence reached far beyond the boundaries of his time. As we conclude our journey through the vast tapestry of Leonardo da Vinci's creative genius, we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of art, science, and human progress. His paintings, like the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper, are not mere canvases. They are portals that beckon us to explore the intricacies of emotion and intellect. In the realm of engineering, Da Vinci's sketches of flying machines and hydraulic wonders reveal a visionary who transcended the boundaries of his time. His inventions, from parachute designs to innovative machines, speak to a mind that not only created art but sought to transform the very fabric of reality. Delving into anatomy, Da Vinci's meticulous dissections and anatomical studies showcase a scientist whose curiosity knew no bounds, unraveling the mysteries of the human form. Architectural designs and ideal city plans reveal a thinker envisioning urban landscapes shaped by harmony and functionality. The Codex Leicester, a treasure trove of scientific musings, invites us to witness Da Vinci's insatiable thirst for knowledge, where art and science intertwine in a dance of intellectual brilliance. Leonardo da Vinci's legacy guides us through a journey that transcends centuries, inviting us to gaze upon the legacy of a Renaissance luminary whose genius remains an everlasting beacon of inspiration, encouraging us all to question, create, and unlock the mysteries that surround us.